actually asks for a cup of water, but I'm gonna put in. I put in a cup of milk. I always put milk instead of water. Now, I am gonna see if I need to use my mixer thing I have over there, but sometimes it's okay to do it the old-fashioned way. If you beat it against the edge, you'll notice you get a lot of dry patches, and that's what is going to be in there if you don't get it across the edge of the wall. That's why you can see. Whew, whew. And I don't like this kind of dark cake, so I'm going to put creamer, coffee flavor in my coffee. Someone on one of the groups. Someone in one of the groups said, okay. Ooh. Hopefully I don't have to make too many of them. But I usually just make a batch for myself, and I freeze them, and then I eat off them for a while. I still have cake that I made more than a month ago in my freezer. Now this one here has vanilla coffee flavoring. forgot to wash my pan. Well, I actually didn't forget it. I'm not washing any dishes until it's time for me to go to bed. But now I don't know how I'm going to get this in the pan. Yes, I do. Yes, the hell I do. I'm going to wash my pan. Just realized I needed one, not the other. I'm just going to throw the rest of this in here. I got so much I want to make, but I've been so tired, and this big old spatula is making it hard for me to get my bowl clean. See, someone else would have threw it in the trash down the drain. Nope, not me. Not me. This spatula is so big that every time I get some, I put it back somewhere else. But I'm gonna just do away with the rest and just put that in there. I have the other one in I have the other one in the oven, so I'm gonna take this pan that I had took out the oven. It's really hot. Where is my oven at? Right here. I took it out the oven because I was gonna use the other pan, so I put it right here. But when I tell you this sucker is hot, yes. So I'm just gonna put this in here like that. I think it's gonna be good because I have some flavoring in it. Oh, shoot. The corner where I was holding it was cold because I ran water on it. Okay, now I'm going to be a good girl and clean up some of my mess. I think one of them is ready, boys and girls. I think you shouldn't open it up though. I'm not sure. Ooh, look at that. That one looks raw. Oh, I'm so tired. I gotta sit down, boys and girls. I gotta sit down. I think I can take it out a little bit now. At least I can try one. I had to sit down, boys and girls. Ooh, it wasn't good at all. I gotta make room for the other cake that's gonna come out in a minute. Okay, like I did say, I have vanilla flavoring in this. Fluffy. Mmm. Oh, I like it. You might notice I don't use frosting on my cake. No frosting. Mm, 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 mm. Absolutely. Now I get to take these, put them in a bag, and put them in the freezer. And then when I need a little treat, I just take it out. Mmm. Mmm. Nice and fluffy. This is from the Dollar Tree, Duncan Hines. They had a they had a lot of fetch points for this, so you know I grabbed that. I'm definitely grinding for them damn fetch points for sure. I think I got about maybe a $25 gift card already. I'm hoping for a $50 one. And next month I'm gonna get a few of my points gonna be cashed out to me, which is gonna be close to the end of next month. And I'm so happy because I had to wait a while to get those because they want to make sure you're not going to return the stuff back to the store. Now, I do know someone who said that they don't take the points from you if you take the stuff back to the store because someone they know does that. I consider that theft, so I'm not doing it. So there goes that. Everybody has a morals clause, and I consider that theft. Yes, I do. Now this one is absolutely beautiful, which means I had just the right amount in there for me to make this nice little cake that I have. And I'm gonna let this cool for a little while, and then I'm gonna put it up. I think I'm gonna pass this one to a neighbor. I'm not sure. I know I don't need both of them. Absolutely not. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and you shall see me soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.